Hello, I'm Andrea Williams and I'm a medical herbalist, and today I'm going to be talking to you on how to make a herbal tea. Now I have this lovely cast iron teapot, which is my absolute favourite. These make great teapots actually because it holds the heat really well. If I want to heat up my tea, just pop it on the element. I can take it camping. It's just a versatile little teapot. Absolutely love it. So when we're making a herbal tea, today I'm just going to use lemon verbena, which is out of my garden. It's the most, if you smell it, it's the most beautiful smell. It's got a lemony type of smell. Just brushing past in summer, you get this beautiful scent. Now this herb is great just, to help with sleep. Can be great for sore throats, immune system. And so what I'm going to do is basically take some leaves off. Now when you're working out how much to have, generally with fresh herbs it's double of the dried herb. So it'll be about two teaspoons per cup. And so this would be for 1 cup. I'm just taking some more leaves off here for 2 cups. Well, this actually holds 3 cups, but I'm not doing that much today, so I'm only just going to do enough for 2 cups. And then what I'm going to do is add the boiling water. It's just recently been boiled. See the steam coming off? Now what we want to do is put the lid on. It's vitally important because this actually keeps the volatile oils in. And let's pop the lid on there. And then we just allow it to sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Now if you're new at having herbal teas and you haven't done it before, basically you would just allow this to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get used to the flavourings, because you don't want to put yourself off just by making a real strong brew of 20 minutes. And then as you get used to the flavours, then just let it sit for about 20 minutes, and that's a general time. Now what you can do to get the most out of your herbal teas is just top it up with hot water as you use it throughout the day. Another tip is, you can leave it overnight to have a strong brew and then use it up during that day, not to reuse it the next day. Just do a fresh batch the next day. Now with the dried herb, as I mentioned before, you'd have 1 teaspoon per cup. This is lemon verbena, which is I've harvested myself and dried, so it's quite handy for winter. So when you're using black tea, Earl Grey tea, peppermint tea, lavender, when you're wanting to extract that with water, the active constituents come out quite quickly, so you don't really need to let it sit for 20 minutes unless you really like a strong brew. But it's not, especially lavender is quite strong. You wouldn't want to let that sitting for 20 minutes, and peppermint can be too. But if you like a strong brew of peppermint, then that's absolutely fine. But just with those type of herbs and the teas, they don't need to sit for a very long time. They only need to be a couple of minutes. So that's just a wee tip with those teas, but everything else takes a wee bit of time for the active constituents to come out into the water, and so you get all those lovely flavours in your tea. So have a crack at doing that and see how you go. Shortly we're going to come and have a look and see what it looks like after sitting for 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look and see what our herbal tea looks like. Just pouring it out. It smells quite nice. It's got a nice colour to it. So let's have a wee smell. Delicious. And it tastes good too. So that's our lemon verbena tea. So what you can also do is have it cold as well. You can have it hot or cold. This is called a hot infusion. So if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please seek a medical, to go to your medical practitioner and just ask if it's appropriate for you. If you have a medical condition, always check either with your just with your medical practitioner for whether it's suitable for you. It also is a great way to get fluid in and get a therapeutic benefit as well. So go and have a go and enjoy having some herbal teas and have fun with it.